asking for commission. And that's the very reason I'm process-oriented.
Sasabihin mo, Mr. Chair,
Process-oriented po ako,
ang
Mr.
mga
Chair.
congressmen, gusto mo mag-executive session tayo, ipapakita ko sa iyo mga congressmen.
Sige, wala akong
mo.
nakausap. Yung sa Manila nyo,
You
I
are
was never with
You are lying,
Architect
Mr.
Texon.
Order,
I
please.
can cite you for
1 minute
Mr. Chair.
suspension is
Mr. Chair.
declared by the chair.
Ngayon, ang tanong ko, in the 2024 budget or the National Expenditure Program, there was an allocation for Surigao del Sur, in fact, 2 districts. One in the amount of 103 million pesos for, if I'm not mistaken, Tagbina National High School, and another 70 million pesos for Barubon National High School. But unfortunately, in fact, there was already a notice from DepEd to DPWH to conduct the biddings already. However, all of a sudden, the biddings were stopped because accordingly, the funds are not available. Paano po nangyari yun, Mr. Chair? Na nakalagay na nga doon sa National Expenditure Programs, pagdating doon sa 2024, nawala yung budget.
Ang nangyari po noon, Mr. Chair, sabi ko nga, meron na identify na 15.1 billion yung National Technical Working Group, which we adopted as is. Yun po ang present namin sa mga ating congressman.
But Mr. Chair, it was already included in the NEP. Paano mawawala yun?
Ang nangyari
sa...
po, Mr. Chair, ganito, nung paglabas po ng General Appropriations Bill, yung 19.7 naging 24.7 billion, pero yung 14.7 billion nagkaroon po ng Annex A. In other words, these are the projects identified by the various congressmen. So, yung aming 15.1 nawala. So, since nawala siya, ang una namin ginawa, yung lahat ng may malalaking allocation na 100 million pataas, yun ang una namin kinat para ma-allocate sa mga maliliit. So, yung aming 15.1 at the time naging 5.8 billion na lamang, lumiit po ng husto.
So, Mr. Chair, in short, you took it upon yourself to cut the budget without notifying the congressmen. Sabi mo kanina, may mga identification mga congressmen. You took it upon yourself, being the head of the SIF, to cut the budgets of the different proposed school buildings. Ganun ba?
That was because there's no more budget in the General Appropriations Bill. We had to cut for that everybody will also be allocated.
So how did you decide, Mr. Chair, kung anong kapuputuloy, anong tatanggalin doon, anong bibigyan?
Well, ang decision lang muna is tanggalin yung mga malalaki, which is yung mga 100 million pataas, 80 million taas. Because, Mr. Chair, as I already mentioned, that policy was really to go multi-story kasi wala na pong buildable space. Kaya medyo malalaki po yung ating building ngayon to maximize buildable space. So, yun po ang nauna. Yung mga 100 million pataas, 80 million pataas. So, yung natira mga 50, 40 million na 2-story, 3-story.
Ninyo yung multi-story, tinanggal ninyo dun sa district ko, Mr. Chair. Yun ang tinanggal ninyo.
Well,
And not only that, there was also a 200 million peso project in District 1 na tinanggal din ninyo.
hindi ako familiar in detail, pero I don't remember there's a 200 million school building in any school for that matter.
You know what, Mr. Chair? I'll give you an explanation bakit ninyo tinanggal. Do you know a certain Mr. Greg Murillo?
Yes, sir, Mr. Chair.
Sabi ko kanina, Mr. Chair, the 180 million pesos was already included in the National Expenditure Program. But upon bidding, it was recalled. But prior to the bidding, this Mr. Greg Murillo, who's a close friend of Mr. Dinsing, called me. At itong sinabi niya, kamusta po kayo, Congressman? Sabi ko, mabuti naman. Congressman, meron po lang kayong budget na 170 million pesos para sa district mo. O sabi ko, yun nga, naka-schedule na for bidding. In fact, binibidding na yata. Sir, pwede daw muna, mag-usap daw muna kayo ni Mr. Dinsing. Those exactly the words of him, pwede tayo magharap-harap tayo. Baka naman pwede makipagkita ka kay Mr. Dinsing. And sabi ko, para saan? Alam mo na, may pag-uusapan kayo. Right there and then, I already knew anong pag-uusapan. Si Mr. Dinsing hihingi ng komisyon. So, I told Mr. Greg Murillo, whom you admitted is your good friend, sinabi ko doon kay Mr. Murillo, why will I give money to Mr. Dinsing when this is already been allocated in the National Expenditure Program? So, I did not entertain that anymore. And Mr. Chair, lo and behold, the funds did not come through. Kinancel yung bidding and then nawala na nga because I did not come across to the request of Mr. Dinsing na humingi siya ng komisyon. And not only that, Mr. Dinsing, hindi lang akong biktima niyan. Marami pong mga congressmen, and for the record, I want to put it in record, maraming mga congressmen na nagsabi din sa akin that you approach them. In fact, there is one congressman in Visayas that you were asking for 18% commission of the school buildings. Kasi ikaw nga ang nagdidesisyon kung sinong bibigyan, sino ang tatanggalan. In fact, it is on record. You just said kanina na ikaw ang nagdesisyon kung sinong tatanggalan, sinong bibigyan. Not only that, sometime last year or probably within this year, you met with some of the congressmen in Manila. I already talked to them. Humarap ka doon. May kasama ka pang contractor. Do you know a certain architect, Ralph Texon?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. Yung po ang kasama mo nung humarap ka sa congressman sa Manila. And just the same, you were implying, you were asking for a commission, hindi lang yun, sinabi mo pa na yung contractor mong gagawa, itong si Mr. Architect Ralph Texon. And that is the reason why, Mr. Chair, tinanggal si Mr. Dinsing sa DepEd. He did not resign. I knew from the very beginning that he will be taken out because there were already anomalies in the distribution and the allocation of school buildings program. In fact, Mr. Chair, nung pag-alis niya sa DepEd, may isa pang inipit na 34 million pesos sa Bislig Central Elementary School, which is in my district. Now, I will not mention anymore the name. One official of the new administration sa DepEd called me. Ano ang sabi sa akin, Mr. Dinsing? Kung meron ka bang project na 34 million sa Bislig Central Elementary School? Sabi ko, meron. Ano, nakabidding na? Hindi, ini-stop nga eh. Sir, ito, ilalabas na ho namin. Inipit ho ni Mr. Dinsing. And that is the reason why, Mr. Chair, this person was taken out of DepEd because of his anomalous practices in DepEd. Yun po ang katotohanan niyan. Nakiusap ka pa na ma-retain ka pero hindi na tinanggap ni Senator Sani Angara, and that's good for DepEd because you have been doing the rounds para ka nagbebenta ng isda. Inaalak mo sa lahat ng congressmen ang allocation ng school buildings asking for a commission.
Mr. Chair, may I now respond?
Yes, please.
Well, first of all,
respond.
it's a blatant lie asking for commission. And that's the very reason I'm process-oriented.
Sasabihin mo, Mr. Chair,
Process-oriented po ako, Mr.
ang mga
Chair.
congressmen, gusto mo mag-executive session tayo, ipapakita ko sa iyo mga congressmen
Sige, wala akong
na hiningan
wala
mo.
akong nakausap. Yung sa Manila nyo,
You
I
are
was
lying.
never with
You are lying,
Architect
Mr. Dinsing.
Texon.
Order,
I
please.
can cite you for
1 minute
Mr. Chair.
suspension is
Mr. Chair.
declared by the chair.